So my name's Melissa Khalifi. I'm in my first term. So I found out about the school through Callista, who's working at the facility now, but she was about to graduate and we got connected by a mutual friend. And she met up with me. She was a week or two away from graduating, and she didn't really, it was crazy. She didn't try and like sell me the course. She just brought all of her curriculum and was speaking about her experience, and she was so excited, and she was just talking to me the way she would talk to anyone talk to a friend. And as she was explaining it, all these light bulbs were going off in my head, and I was so interested. And so I ended up coming and shadowing for an anatomy class. And it was the correlation of seeing Randy in anatomy and her showing me what she was going through, and I was like, this is it. This is something that I have to do. I was debating acupuncture. I knew I wanted to help people one-on-one and physically, but I didn't know exactly what, and so I was debating a few things, but this was one of those moments where finally it's laid out in front of you, and it's like, you know, the heavens part, and you're like, yes, this is it, finally. So yeah, I was debating, but this was definitely the one that made me want to go this route. I really love and respect all the instructors, their experience, what they know, how willing they are to help you. Everyone has an open mind and is open to trying new things. I think what makes it unique is the individuals that come here and stay here are dedicated, and I feel, for me at least, I feel that the more I continue on to graduate, I have to, like, not to sound super serious, but like eat, sleep, and breathe CNS, because it really does become a lifestyle, and it becomes a way of thinking, and it becomes something that you're truly passionate about. And I feel that all of my classmates and instructors feel the same. We become family in a sense, and you know that everyone's got your back and that everyone wants to see each other grow. And it's just it's like you feel like you're in this hub of learning and exploration, and you can trust everyone, and it's awesome. It's awesome. It's an intimate type of school setting where you know that you can ask any question and there's always going to be help for you. The more that you learn about it, and the more that you get it done, and the more that you treat other people, the more that I become immersed in this, I realize that I'm holding some very valuable knowledge and information, and I respect that information, and I hope and I know that I'll use it and my classmates will use it to do good. And so if anyone is thinking about the school or even just wants to stop in and shadow, it's almost like do yourself the favor and stop in, because the information is, you know, invaluable.